International Federation of Association of Football FIFA na All India Football Federation suspend toukhre. Tongan ba international ki event kaya yauba phangloidori. News agency ki pauna hai athing basi khudaktagi chatnagani. Athing basi thamlakpagi maru oiba maramdi kanagumba third party amana India ki maikaida wafam thamlakpanani. Hariba influence pirakpa asi FIFA ki chatna kanglon ngaktaba mathong huktaba thawong ni hairi. Athing basi na maram oiraka India ki sanaroi sina tongan ba international ki event kaya yauba phangloidori. Panba yabadi lakliba October thada India da pangthona hotnariba FIFA Under17women World Cup su pangthokpa ngamloidori. Hiram asigi matangda India ki maming chatlaba sanaroi baichung butiana pendaba wafam phongdokre. To thawong asi FIFA ki yamna kanba decision oi adubu federation leriba system asi semdok hognabagi achoba tanja mafanglagani hairi.
It's very unfortunate that FIFA is banned Indian football, and at the same time I feel it's a very harsh decision from FIFA to ban Indian football. But at the same time I think it's a great opportunity to get our system right. And it's very important that all the stakeholders, be it federation, state association, sports ministry, to come together, get the system right, and everybody work for betterment of Indian football.